Guys, please don't forget to subscribe on the channel of Wealth Munshi. Click on the bell icon and get the latest updates.
Friends, in the last video we spoke about how investments are very important for you to create a lot of wealth for yourself and your family. This video we're going to talk about income. Now, it's very important for us to know that investments form a very integral part to create an income source, especially a passive income source for you and your family. Before we go ahead and talk about income, you need to ask yourself, are you managing your income well? Do you know how much of income you get net in hand after all taxes? Do you know what are the different kind of sources of income which you have? Do you know what is the kind of income which you will not get in case of any issue like COVID, which is a variable income, etc., etc. Very important for us to know that 97% of the people in the world work for money. 3% make their money work for them, and those are the people who are making wealth all over. Are you tracking your income well? Do you know how much income you get net in hand after taxes? Are you aware digitally? Are you tracking your income well? Each and every income head is tracked meticulously for each and every rupee. And last but not the least, it's very important for us to know that making money is not very important. Managing the money is more important. So there are three main sources of income generally in a portfolio. One is active, one is passive, and one is a portfolio income. Active income is something which you work for. It could be your salary, it could be your job, it could be your consulting business, the service which you offer, etc. That's basically your forte. Second is a passive source of income, which basically comes from the investment which you've done or the kind of field you are in terms of royalties. It could be income in terms of rental income, it could be income from your interest, etc., etc. The third kind of income is something where we handhold you on, known as portfolio income. This income primarily is generated from various instruments. It could be a guaranteed income in terms of pension or education fund. It could be a monthly income via a systematic withdrawal plan. It could be an income via interest which you've given in terms of unsecured loan as a corporate to any company, or it could be an income where you get as a rental income which we have created by investments in various instruments. All these incomes are basically important for us to create a regular source of income. But you need to understand that more than your salary, the passive source of income is more important. An income where in case you are not to be there around today, you are on a holiday, you are not on work, a COVID kind of a situation happens, the income doesn't stop. It still keeps coming to you every month, every year, every quarter without any disconnect. Important part for us to know is that wealth can never be earned. It can only be created. In terms of a retail market, wealth is primarily earned into a few of these areas like salary. Your bonus is generally a variable pay. Bonus is like your equity, it can be less, more, no return. Your salary is like a guaranteed fund where you get a guaranteed return, basic salary every month. Then we have other sources of income which could be an interest, a rental income, it could be other incomes in terms of variable, in terms of compensation, reimbursements, etc., etc. Out of this, the most prominent income in most of the retail portfolios is the salary and the variable pay. Rental income also is not being great because let's assume you buy a property of 1 crore today. The average return on a rental income would be around 2 to 3%. That means on a 1 crore property, the rental income which you get is 20 to 30,000 rupees a month, which is also taxable, taking off all the overheads, taxes, maintenance, you actually do not make any money. So it's not been a very popular choice of income for a lot of the investors. The second kind of investor which we work on are the corporate investors. Now these are the people who invest money into various companies and equity or a debt convertible equity. Or they invest into a lot of ODs where they do not get interest but they get a lot of loan from the banks. Other kind of income a lot of the the corporates have is primarily an income in terms of unsecured loan, or is they give money to other businesses where they lend on a collateral or a mortgage where they get a monthly interest or a monthly return.